Mustang Coupe.
This is a teaser without the answer.
Yes. Stay tuned.
All right.
It'll be in video 105.
That was great, Ed.
Okay.
All right, we're out of here. Good. You can go through the curtain. I'll follow you. All right. So we just saw behind the curtain, and again, I'm sorry to do that to you guys, but it wasn't cars. So I'll say that, so you don't resent me for not showing behind the curtain. I've never done that before, Ed. I've never done that before.
Someday we may reveal.
Maybe. A little bit of problem with my focus. Not mentally today, but my focus away. Yeah, I'm on a 6 Plus, guys. That's what I'm doing. This is classic. I feel like this feels like a movie car to me. So they got all kinds of cars in all kinds of conditions. So from what I understand, what I heard from Stuart, is they can go down to $5,000. They can have cars that are $5,000, and they can have cars that are $1 million. You never know what you're going to see over here. Ed left this thing down, right? He left it down like right here, and I'm walking up to him, looking at my camera, and I look up and just missed it. And he said he did that on purpose. Isn't that messed up? All right, he can show us behind the curtain here. So here is a reveal.
These are just some extra cars out of the collection.
All right, so
You know,
I like.
behind the curtain.
Oh, if I get the lights on, got him. Oh, look what's peeking out right away. Look what's peeking out behind the curtain. And this is a barn find. Look at, don't you love it? The O's missing. I just think that's so cool. Another one. What are all these ponies doing back here? What are all these ponies doing back here, Ed?
This is the Ford graveyard.
Oh, look, they got the glass that drop down. Oh, I'm just going through memories here. Look, you got the car covers because the seats are falling apart. Wait a minute. What kind of hubcap? What kind of hubcap is that? What is that?
Those are special.
I think that's some foreign hubcap. I don't think that's a Mustang hubcap. Can you open the hood? Do you mind? All right, the reveal. Oh no, it's under the it's underneath the grill. Yep, right there. Go ahead. Yep.
You ready?
Oh, I was born ready. Ah, look at that. Look at that. That's called original. That's a barn find. That's cool. Barn find in like a museum selling cars. You know, it's just very unusual. Let's put the light on.